Good morning, students. Continuation of chapter Changing Trends in Occupation. In previous class, we discussed about dignity of labor and gender discrimination. Today, we will discuss some exercises of this chapter that are tick the correct options, fill in the blanks and true or false. Let's proceed ahead. First exercise is tick the correct options. Students, in this exercise, you are given 3 options with each question. You have to read carefully. After that, find out correct answer from the options. Let's see first question. The opportunities of employment in rural areas have. Options are increased, decreased, disappeared. What is correct answer? Correct answer is decreased. The opportunities of employment in rural areas have decreased. Students, I have already discussed that in olden times, most Indian villagers were self-sufficient. The farmers depended on agriculture and animal husbandry. Many other occupations are also dependent on farming. With the passage of time, the number of members in the family increased, but the land remains the same, and low productivity and low earning forced many farmers to give up farming. Some of the family members forced to other occupation than farming, and as the opportunities of employment in rural areas decreased, many villagers started moving towards cities and turned in search of other occupation. Now coming question number 2. Scarcity of milk developed due to. Options are low production of milk, increased population, decrease in demand. What is correct answer? Correct answer is low production of milk. Scarcity of milk developed due to low production of milk. As you all know that in earlier times, the farmer and his family looked after the milk-giving animals on their farms. The quality of animals and their feed were not very good. As a result, the production of milk was low. Now coming question number 3. The White Revolution is related to. Options are food grain, fisheries, dairy farming, and correct answer is dairy farming. The White Revolution is related to dairy farming. It was started by the Dr. Verghese Kurian, and it was related to milk production, processing, marketing, exports and distribution of byproducts of milk. That is why India became largest producer of milk in the world. Now coming question number 4. An important aspect of changing trends in occupation is. Options are participation of women, gender discrimination, industrialization. What is correct answer? Correct answer is participation of women. An important aspect of changing trends in occupation is participations of women in various occupations. Now coming exercise B, that is fill in the blanks. Students, you are given help box, and from the help box you have to find out correct words and fill in the blanks. Let's see first question. The use of dash in agriculture brought a great change in occupations. Correct answer is machines. The use of machines in agriculture brought a great change in occupations. Now coming second number, dash created a national milk grid that linked all milk producers with consumers. Correct answer is Dr. Kurian. Dr. Kurian created a national milk grid that linked all milk producers with consumers. Now coming third number, many dash suffer due to unequal treatment known as gender discrimination. Correct answer is women. Many women suffer due to unequal treatment known as gender discrimination. Now coming fourth number, white revolution involved many dash and non-professionals. Correct answer is professionals. White revolution involved many professionals and non-professionals. Now coming last number, a dash requires skill to stitch garments. Correct answer is tailor. A tailor requires skill to stitch garments. Now coming exercise C, that is state whether true or false. Let's see first number. A blacksmith supplied tools to the farmer. Yes, it is correct statement, so you will write true. Coming second number, many farmers gave up farming due to low returns. Yes, it is also true statement, so you will write true. Many farmers gave up farming due to low returns. Now coming third number, low quality feed given to milk giving animals created scarcity of milk. Yes, it is also true statement, so you will write true. Now coming fourth number, tube well diggers are in great demand in villages. Yes, it is also true statement. Tube well diggers are in great demand in villages. Now coming last number, a rickshaw puller is a professional. No, it is false statement. A rickshaw puller is a non-professional. Students, today's home assignment, you have to write, tick the correct options, fill in the blanks and true or false in notebook, and also have to learn. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.